Everybody, Renshi Ken here back again with kata hand yandan. So, straight. Bow. Kata hand yandan. Ready position. In. 1. Down. 2. Down. Low cross block. Step through Rutuke. Step up. Around. Back to side kick. Elbow. Come back. Around. Back to side kick. Elbow. Chamber. Chop. Front kick and back fist kiai. Step. Press. Here. Front kick. Front punch, first punch. And press. Here. Front kick. Front punch, first punch. Rutuke. Same foot. Rutuke. Rutuke. Reach. Pull. And knife block. And knife block. Finish. And bow.